Hello and welcome back everyone to Universe Sandbox. It's been a little bit and I actually got a 50 megabyte update here, so still says update 26, but something must have changed because that's rather sizable, so it's time to throw rocks at the earth and see if anything really did change. You know, that's how it goes. Update, destroy humanity every time. At this point I have a death count probably in the trillions. Realistically, yes. I've done this at least a few hundred times. And with 7 billion people, it would only take me about, what, you know, reasonable amount of attempts. Okay, I was looking way too long for the moving the UI around is going to always frustrate me. Not because the UI is worse. I'm starting to get used to it. It's just, it was the same for so long. Okay, Mercury, do your worst. You can't actually hurt Earth, can you? You're just a weakling. Just like the liquid mercury. Actually, don't play around with mercury, kids. It is actually quite toxic. It will make you go insane, but you're on my channel, so I may have the same effect. Alright, see what happens. We have impact. I'm 90% sure at this point humanity is a little bit screwed. Just a little bit. And there is slight damage to Earth itself, other than us puny, weak humans. What I really want to see is the debris. I saw Gray actually make a few videos, and the particles looked even more wacky than the last update video I made. Huh. No, these look pretty average for me. They still have these really big ones, but it seems to be a little bit less endemic now. Seems like it's a little bit more reasonable. Before we were getting some really, really ridiculous objects coming out. What did he do? He threw something super, super, super cold at the Earth. I'm curious. I want to see if I can get those really weird looking ones as well, because what else haven't I done? See, I've made all the numbers really weird, but I never thought about making something so absurdly cold that it would just absolutely break physics. Like, who would have thought that you could actually go ridiculously... Oh, wait, no, you can't! So how did the man do it? Did he make it ridiculously hot? Oh well, I give up. I have no clue now. That's interesting. It's my turn to come up with numbers to make ridiculous. Usually, I'll do the rotational period. Rotational period is really funny, just make it super, super low, which basically means that the Earth has to spin absurdly fast to make up for that. Yeah, like, it's currently spinning so quickly that you literally cannot see it. Even though we're going at, like, real time now, I could keep slowing down and you still would not be able to see the spin. Oh, it actually rounded it down to 0. Never mind, there legitimately is no spin. Okay, what about now? There we go, that's better. Man. Really ruined it there for a second, didn't it? Okay, but now it's legitimately going 1e to the negative 16. It's still spinning so fast you can't see it. And when it hits other Earth is going to be spun because, you know, when a rolling object hits another rolling object, it will transfer that energy. And, oh, see? See? Now this Earth is spinning... What? Now it's going 0. Why is this one 2.2 hours now? Did they fix it? Did they fix my favorite thing to do? Oh, you've got to be kidding me. What? Wait, where am I? What just happened? I've been ejected from the simulation. Man... All I want to do is destroy planets, and everyone's like, no, you can't do that. Instead, we're going to cause game-breaking bug. Alright. How about we just do classic Mercury versus Jupiter, and we make Mercury spin like a top extremely quickly. I'm a little bit concerned about... Why did it move Mercury when I did that? Why? I'm very concerned about that. That looks like a bug to me. Excuse me, Jupiter. I just want you to kind of get out of my way, friend. Man, why did it move Mercury? I'm so confused. This behavior is really quite odd. Did it go back to 0? Yeah, it fixed itself. What the heck? All of my favorite ways to destroy planets are being absolutely yeeted out of the game. How could this be? Okay, if I do times 0.1 over and over and over, like... Okay, so that's fine. I'm just not allowed to type it in anymore, is that the thing? Wait, what? Why is it just randomly changing its axis? I'm pretty sure that's not supposed to happen. Why are you sideways now? What the heck? What is going on? I'm very concerned. I legitimately don't know what's happening here. This is beyond me. This isn't even like the normal physics screwery that I do. This is actually legitimately unreasonably outside of what I would expect the simulation to do. Why is it just randomly changing its tilt? What is going on? These are all good. Okay, let's make Earth spin really fast too, because you know, all the cool kids spin really fast nowadays. Alright, Earth, how about we just do the same thing? Just now it disappeared. Not a number. Speed is not a number. Distance to you is not a number. No stars. What is going on? Why can't I modify Earth's speed? Is it only Earth? Is Earth the only one that I can't just touch at all without it exploding? Man, I'm having a bad day when it comes to simulation. This update is really messing with me. Okay, if I just do this, will it just randomly bug around? Or is it only if I slightly mess? Okay, if I slightly mess with the tilt just a little bit here, does it start going crazy again, or was it just for that second that it decided to go absolutely insane? No, it seems that it's not going absolutely insane anymore, which is a little bit disappointing. I was enjoying that. Alright, let's add Earth now. This seems a little bit more reasonable. Now, if I get the rotational period and do... Okay, this seems more reasonable. This seems more reasonable. Can I get the number up to where I want it? Ah, there we go. Man, it's much more finicky though. I don't even know if they're spinning in the same direction, different direction. This is going to be interesting. All right. Why is Jupiter looking a little bit bumpy there? Oh, why, Jupiter, you're heating up, but Earth isn't even here yet. What? Wait a second. Why is the why is tidal heating getting Jupiter to 700 degrees? It's just Earth. Earth's at 15 degrees. Why is Earth heating up Jupiter this much? Is it the spinning? Is the spinning generating what? I need to see the update logs for this. I have no clue what's going on anymore. The physics do not make sense. What is the surface? What? Why are you at 600 degrees? Earth hasn't even touched you yet. Man, do you have the hots for Earth or something? Jupiter, what is going on, man? Alright, let's let them actually collide now. Are they capable of actually colliding? Yes, there we go. They have actually collided now. Now Earth is leaving a nice warm strip across Jupiter. But why did it heat up before then? This is so absurdly confusing. Alright, Earth is just grinding a line into Jupiter. This is to be expected if we're spinning things this quickly. Oh, what are these little particles coming out? That's gotta be Earth, right? Yeah. Gotta be little Earth bits, some people being ground about. I mean, it's kind of artistic if you look at it like that. Look at the absolute, like... Jupiter's like, yummy snack. And Earth is like, no! Please! Don't eat me! Beautiful. Still spinning pretty quickly, I won't lie. The temperature on Jupiter gets up to a yummy 3,000 degrees. And oh, it's happening. It's doing the thing. Jupiter is doing the thing where it cannot decide its axis. It is just randomly deciding the direction it's going to be facing. Why? What is causing this? It's teleporting. Why? Alright, let's feed it Saturn and see what happens. Now that it's like spinning in random directions, I wonder if the destruction's going to be a lot more interesting. Like, if Jupiter does one of these sudden turns, what is the result going to be? No, it just seems to be alright with it. Jupiter is just completely alright with... Jupiter! What is going on, man? I legitimately can't tell what is wrong with you. You need to see a planet doctor, which I am not one of. My methods are a bit too cruel to be considered a doctor. Okay, but seriously, what is with the teleporting? Jupiter just cannot decide what direction it wants to face, so it's going to face all of them at the same time. Okay, it's absorbed Saturn rather successfully at this point. Now, it seems like even with its physics utterly demolished, Jupiter is still capable of existence. But this brings up even more interesting questions. With the amount of lateral velocity, if we hit the explode button on Jupiter, would the particles flown off of it follow that trajectory, or would they just go out in very boring directions? I feel like this is one of those answers that we have to get through attempt, but I think it's going to be wait, if I shoot a laser at it, we can actually see it randomly move because it'll draw it on the laser, right? So there should be a line. Oh, is it done? Is it not going to do any more wackiness anymore? Oh, did I miss it? Or am I just going too slow? Okay. Let's try speeding things up a bit. Oh, I can see it's starting to get a little bit wacky again. Alright. Now that we're back. Yes! Okay, so if I do this, it should trace the weird directions Jupiter goes in. Alright, so it's going... Oh. Actually, that's pretty consistent if it continues in this... Huh? I'm not moving the mouse. I am not moving the mouse. So all we are doing is seeing how this point on Jupiter is moving. Let's do a better one, like in the middle here. And then we will see if it stays in the middle. I mean, it's pretty accurate, but if I speed up time a little bit more... Oh yeah, now it's just all over the place. Look at that. It literally cannot make a decision on where it wants to face. I wonder if it'll make a really cool design, though, if I just hold this down, leave it where it is, and just wait. Yeah, it would appear to be making a cool design. So let's just give this a minute. What am I doing with my life, you may ask? Well, at least I'm not Jupiter. What? The way it's deciding to flip, I don't understand the logic behind it. Alright, now the question we've been waiting for. What happens if we explode it? Okay, come on. We're gonna turn this down really far. Nothing? Are you kidding me? What? No, we're just going so slow. We can't see the result of the explosion. Alright, faster? Faster it is. What is that? The music What? What was that? Excuse me. Did we just recreate the Big Bang? What was that? I need answers. I need answers, damn it. Okay. I'm gonna have to try that again in the future and figure out what the heck we just did. But for now, thank you all for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Peace out, stay safe. Join the Discord, discord.gg/spookvooper.